I'm gonna say a lip oil. Ow. Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Nyx Beauty Advent Calendar. This one is the 24-day Advent Calendar and the price of it is 57 euros. We have 24 products and this year they have released two more Advent Calendars, the 31-day and also the 12-day. I'm gonna have a link in the description box for the 31-day Advent Calendar and I'm going to unbox the 12-day in a couple of days, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified. This one says diamonds and ice please. The box is super pretty, elegant and very cute for the holidays. I didn't like that much the variety of the 30-day Advent Calendar, so I'm hoping that this one is a little bit improved, and this is how the Advent Calendar looks inside. Super gorgeous. It is like a book. And let's find door number 1. Okay, it is this one here in the corner, and I'm gonna say a lipstick. I don't know, I think it looks like a lipstick. Oh my god, it's a lipstick. I'm a little bit scared because of the 31-day Advent Calendar. If you have watched the unboxing, you know what I'm saying. And we have here the matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. This is looking like a super pretty shade for the holidays. Also, you can use this, every day if you like red lipsticks. So this one is a little bit brighter than I was anticipating because it looks like a brick red lipstick, and in the swatches it is more like a blue red or a bright red. Okay, this is definitely a color that can look amazing on everyone, and we have 1.8 grams of product. This is a mini lipstick. The full size is 4.5 grams of product for this one. And let's find door number 2 now. It's this one here. It looks like a lipstick, but I'm gonna say mascara because I don't want this to be a lipstick. Let's see. Ooh, it's not! And this one here is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. I've been meaning to try more Born to Glow items from this brand, so let me know if you would like to see a testing new NYX makeup products so I can get the foundation as well. We have 13 milliliters. I think this is not a full size. I think they have a different packaging for the full size, but we still have 13 milliliters. Very curious to see the color. Oops. I think that's a lot, and ooh, that's very beaming, and I think it's not so complimentary for my skin tone. It's very pink. It dries out. Oops, what happened with my ring light? Okay, it's back to normal. This one dries out very quickly. That's nice if you don't want to use a lot of powder products. I don't think this shade is gonna look nice on a lot of skin tones. I like that we have a squeezable tube. It makes it easier to use all of the product. And let's see now door number 3. It's right next to door number 2. Oh my god, they are in the correct order. Why, NYX? Why have you done that to us? Anyways, so this one here looks again like a lipstick. Okay, I'm gonna say a lipstick. Ooh! It's a lipstick. Next time I will try to guess the lipstick, the type of lipstick, because NYX has so many different types of lipsticks. This one here is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cannes. This one here contains 4.7 milliliters, and I actually have the full size. I have it right here. It's this one, so you can see the difference in the size of it. This one contains 8 milliliters. Of course, this is also a lot of product, so I'm gonna show you the color of this one here. This one is a very nice shade for every day, and I would prefer if it was a full-size product. And let's find door number 4. Oh, it's smaller. I'm gonna say a sharpener. This is a single eyeshadow. It says Glam Purple. We have 1.7 grams of product, and the packaging is very simple. It is a little bit plasticky and very lightweight. That doesn't mean that we don't have a nice eyeshadow. I'm guessing that you can depot this one. I think it has a metallic case. This one here has a shiny finish, and I'm very curious to swatch it. It's not so blinding. It is a little bit transparent. I was expecting something more opaque. So the color is lighter than what you see in the pan. I don't really like that because it's not easy to figure out what colors are gonna look nice together. This one is a very pretty shade. And now let's find what we have behind door number 5. It has exactly the same shape with door number 4, so I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Oh, I'm so wrong. We have here the This Is Everything lip scrub. I'm back. I brought mine. This one is the new one. This is how it looks. It has a very nice sweet scent. It's not very overpowering. Also, it has nice beads and you can actually exfoliate your lips. This one is a full size. And door number 6 is right up here. I have no clue. I'm gonna say a lipstick, but ta-da! I'm wrong, and this one here is the Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake, and I don't have this one, so let's swatch it. And as you can see, this is a mini. The full size is a lot bigger, so let's see the color. Ooh, that's a very, very pretty shade as well. The NYX Butter Glosses are some of the best drugstore lip glosses. They are very shiny and also comfortable on the lips, so I'm very happy that we have this in the Advent Calendar. And now let's go to door number 7. Do you think this is an eyeshadow? I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. Ta-da! I'm right, and this one is the single eyeshadow in the shade Crystal. So this one looks super glorious. Let's see. Oops. The color. I think this one is a little bit more shimmery. It looks like it has some very fine micro glitter, but I'm not very sure. Maybe it is because you need to press it on the skin. And door number 8 is this one here. It looks like a lipstick, let's be honest. I'm gonna say a bronzer. I think they don't have a bronzer in this shape, but let's see. Nope. And this one here is the This Is Everything lip oil in the shade Sheer. I have tried this formula again. It's very nice on the lips, but I don't really get why they have a lot of shades because most of them are just clear, like this one here. It is very, very shiny. You can also use it as a lip gloss with a lipstick. It has the signature scent of NYX products. It smells nice. And now let's go to the second row of doors. Door number 9 here. It looks like a mini lip product. I'm gonna say the liquid suede lip product. And we have here the This Is Everything lip oil in the shade Sheer Blush. And I'm very curious to see the color of this one because almost all of them are clear. Oh, this one has more color. Okay, I can see the pink. Yeah, the pinkness. I like a lot that this one has a little bit of color for a change. And now let's go to door number 10 here. This one looks like a primer. Oh, nope. And this one here is the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. And we have it in the shade Gleam. This one looks darker. I really like the packaging of this product. Oops, I squeezed a lot. Why? This is definitely a lot darker for me, but I want to try it to actually bronze my face. Do you think it's gonna work? It looks a little bit orangey and reddish. It's fast absorbing. This one is gonna look very nice for medium to darker skin tones. And let's find door number 11. This is looking like a lipstick again. Everything is a lipstick to me. This one here is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Rome. And let's see this beautiful, beautiful shade here. It is darker and it looks super creamy. This is such a pretty shade for winter makeup looks. I really like this shade here. And now let's go to door number 12. I'm gonna say a blush. I think this is the size of the blushes that they have. Fail! And this one is the This Is Everything Lip Loving Balm. I think this one is the full size, and I also have it from another advent calendar, so I'm gonna show you mine. Let's continue with door number 13 here. I'm gonna say again a blush. Nope, this is not a blush. This one is the HD Finishing Powder in Translucent. and we have a pressed powder. So I have never tried this one. Usually I'm not buying pressed powders because they don't work for my dry skin. I have also tried the loose setting powder by NYX and it's not good. It gives a lot of flashback. Let me know in the comments if you have a favorite pressed powder so I can try it as well. And let's go to the door number 14 now. It looks like a mini lipstick again, or a lip product, so let's see. This one here is the matte lipstick in the shade Natural, and it looks like a super beautiful shade for every day. This is a very pretty shade. You can also use it with the butter gloss that we have because both of them are pinkish. So let's continue with box number 15. Door number 15. I'm gonna say again the liquid sweat, the lip product. Nope. And this one here is the butter gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. I'm very happy that we have more butter glosses. Let's see the color of it. Ooh, this one is a little bit different. I like that because we have a lot of pink lipsticks and lip products. This is gonna look amazing with peachy lipsticks or corally. And then let's find door number 16, which is this one here. So what do you think we have? It looks like an eyeshadow. Okay, let's go with eyeshadow. Ta-da! This is a single eyeshadow in the shade Golden Bronze. This is a very universal eyeshadow color if you like gold eye looks or brown smoky eye looks. And it is super shiny. I think it is more than the other two shades, and it is super gorgeous. This eyeshadow looks a lot like what I have used today for the lower part of my eyes. I have used a Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm hoping that we also have matte eyeshadows in this advent calendar. And this one here is door number 17. It looks like an eyeshadow, but I think it is smaller. I'm gonna say again, a sharpener. I don't know why. Nope. And this one here is another eyeshadow in the shade Bronzed Goddess. Okay. And this one is looking a lot like the previous shades, so I'm gonna swatch them side by side. So this is the, ooh, yeah, definitely they are different. This one is a lot more golden. Water break. Moving on to door number 18, down here. I'm guessing that we have a matte lipstick. Ta-da! Found it! This one here is the matte lipstick in the shade Siren. And let's see this beautiful shade. It looks luxurious. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty. This one is one of the shades that I also like wearing in the summer. Let me know if you like it also for a summer eye look. And then let's go to the door number 19, right up here. It looks like a butter gloss. Nope. And this one here is a matte lipstick in the shade Whipped Caviar. What's happening? Why do we have so many matte lipsticks? Okay, but we may have a very nice lipstick here, so let's see the color of it. Ooh, that's pretty, but I also think we have a similar shade. Am I right? This is the shade Natural. Yeah, they are both pinkish, but they are not the same. And let's continue with the door number 20 here. I'm gonna say an eyeshadow. And this one here is a single eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. This one is looking like a burgundy eyeshadow. Nose rose gold. Nose, not rose gold. Let's check it out. Yeah, okay, it has a little bit of gold and pink, but I would say it's not the typical rose gold eyeshadow. It is a lot lighter than what you see in the pan. I don't like that. Also, it's not very opaque. You can still use it as an eyeshadow topper. And then let's go to the door number 21 here. I'm gonna say a lip oil. Ow. I'm so happy that this is not a lip product. And we have here the HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. This is obviously a mini size, and I'm very curious to see if it is opaque. It looks like it doesn't have any opacity. I'm not very excited about that because I have a lot of things to cover on my eyelids, and I always need the coverage of a concealer or an eyeshadow base. It's a little bit greasy. The formula is not so nice for the eyelids. Now it's time for door number 22. I'm gonna say blush, but we both know that this is an eyeshadow. This one here is a single eyeshadow in the shade Antique Gold. I would prefer having a matte eyeshadow and also not another gold shade. So let's just see the color of it. Ooh, that's blinding. Oh my god. This is so pretty. This eyeshadow is gonna be easier to be applied with your fingertips because it has like a creamier formula. That's the same for all of the other shimmery eyeshadows. This one can look fantastic for a cut crease eye look with some brown shades. Door number 23 here. I'm gonna say a lipstick or maybe a butter gloss. Yes, I'm gonna say a butter gloss. Ta-da! This one here is the butter gloss in the shade Tiramisu, and I have this again, so I'm gonna bring mine. This one here, as you can see, this is the full size and this is the little baby. This is one of my favorite shades of the butter gloss, and this is how it looks. And then door number 24 here. I'm gonna say a mascara. Nope, this one here is a pore filler. It is a primer and we have 11 milliliters. It looks like a mini product. So I'm very curious to actually see if it can blur a little bit my skin on my hand. The packaging is very similar to the liquid illuminators. Okay, it's very soft and it has the consistency of pore filling primers. It is a little bit silicone-y. And I think it did something, but I don't have very big pores on my hands, so we need to check it out in a video. I like that in this advent calendar we don't have the same products with the 31-day advent calendar. So if you want to get both of them, you're not gonna get the same products. I would prefer a different selection of colors for the eyeshadows and the lipsticks. I feel like we have the same colors. I'm gonna give this advent calendar 3 stars. The variety is not here and the value of it is around 100 euros. It's not that bad. However, I don't like that we have a lot of mini products. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about this advent calendar, and you can find here more unboxing videos. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!